Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Rashida here. So guys, as I promised you that we were going to refurbish our furniture, today it's the day and I'm here to show you how we transform our living room or how we transform our furniture. So at the moment, that's how our living room looks like. So what we are doing there, the carpenter is taking out the furniture so that he could start the doing of the job of the refurbishing of the furniture. Guys, I'm so excited. I just can't wait to see how my furniture is going to turn up. Personally, I'm excited. The only issue I have that little man you see over there. He is becoming a problem, so I have to get a plan B for him so that he does not interfere with the work we are doing. Guys, are you excited as I am? I'm excited. I just can't wait to see how my living room is going to turn up after finishing the refurbishing of the furniture. Guys, I'm excited. So as you can see there, we already taken some of the furnitures outside so that it can be worked on. That's my center table ready to be refurbished. Guys, see that dining. Hey, see that dining. I want to paint the dining white, but the carpenter first painted it black. And for some reasons, I wanted the dining to remain in black color because it was looking so cute. But I told him, no way, sir, please change my dining to white. So guys, stay here with me. Watch the video up to the end as we wait to see how my furniture is going to turn up because that dining is going to be painted in a white color. I'm so excited. I just can't wait to see my furniture after the work is done. So guys, here I was trying to disconnect the TV in the sound system so that we could take the TV stand outside. It's also going to be refurbished. As a superwoman I am, I decided to disconnect the TV in the home theater by myself. So guys, stay here with me. Watch the video up to the end as we wait to see how my furniture is going to turn up after the refurbishing. For now, enjoy this music. Ngenda kubira ku nabadde bavugirako ebigaali. Ngenda babalula nga bwe mbakubira ku bimuli. Ennaku eyaki? So guys, we are done with the painting, but right now we are entering the furniture, although I'm not going to clean right now because I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm going to leave everything as you see it. Then tomorrow I'll do the cleaning. Guys, check out this dining, guys. See the dining. Wow. So I'll do the cleaning tomorrow. I'm going to end my video from here. So see you tomorrow when I'm cleaning my living room. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment below, and please give me a give me a like for this video, comment and subscribe guys. So I'll say goodbye for now. See you in my next video. I love you. Mwah.